Hey everyone, this is new to me, so here we go. We have tomato plants. They have little baggies on them. They are jewelry bags. And we have horrible birds that want to eat our tomatoes as well as squirrels. So I just want to show you with the simple jewelry bags that we tie, can easily get them off. Our tomatoes are okay. There's one turning red. These are paste tomatoes. Over here, it's kind of hard to see, but we have tons of cherry tomatoes, which I use to make spaghetti sauce and regular tomato sauce. Here's some more green tomatoes, some red. There you go. Oops, there you go. Almost ready to be picked. And there's no bites on it. There's no bugs. As you can tell, the ones that I did not wrap. But it's my garden. There you go. It's our chickens. I say our garden. My husband has the green thumb. Over here are our eggplants, which we truly enjoy to eat. Let's see. And then we have okra over here. We have cucumbers. And the okra that we have, I'm not sure I have a good picture. There's a small one. It's a Star of David. Yum. They're delicious. And those are our cucumbers. It has just been so hot down here. We're having a hard time getting things to really get going. And let me get you a little close-up of our cherry tomatoes, which I love. Put in salads, put in like a spring spaghetti sauce. It's very, very good. There's some. Give you an idea of the size. So, thanks for watching, because this all started out as the perfect little bags, jewelry bags, to keep the birds and the squirrels and whatever pest you have from eating your tomatoes. I can tell you firsthand that this does work. All right, thanks guys.